Hi again. Here's my second prototype idea for Design Thinking Action Lab. So the problem is the same, and it states, a graduating senior from an American liberal arts college with career interests not related to his or her liberal arts major needs to find a way to market their strengths to potential future employers in the career fields that align strongly with their identified interests, because having a major not related to their desired career field puts them at a disadvantage during the job recruiting process. So for my second prototype idea, I thought of what I call a mood board mapping activity. The way it goes is that, let's say Joe the undergrad wants to be a certain something that he has a vague idea of what he wants to become. He can go through an activity of creating a mood board in which he would put together images, statements, a collage of how he sees himself. This can include his current interests. That could be academic. That could be emotions. That could be his interests, such as the arts. It could be how he identifies himself characteristically, and also how he's feeling about himself in general. So once he does that mood board, he could create a second one. In the second mood board, he would identify how he wants to see himself as Joe, the college grad. He can see himself in characteristics that's aspirational, material position, career interest fields, and even how he wants to see himself or how he'd like others to see himself. So once he defines these two mood boards, he can draw together a Venn diagram that finds where the two intersect between the person that he is and the person he wants to become. Now this Venn diagram, the intersection of the two, is going to lay out how he will identify his personal work and academic histories in a way that will locate where the two spheres meet. Because the present Joe and the future Joe is ultimately, you become that by being the Joe with a plan. And so he would map how he sees himself in the present moment to the future moment, and using a plan to actualize the future self. Now this program would involve a lot more guidance because people always say that they want to be employed. Sure, they might want to be famous and whatnot. It might be a bit more open of an activity, but it would definitely be a requirement for greater contributions by a moderator or facilitator to really force the participant to hone down exactly and specifically what kind of person he or she wants to become. So that's my second prototype. I hope you like it. Thanks, bye.